Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, most out today's news. Mario Ferdinand will be one of the pundits out there for the football realm. Come talk say Odegaard, Martin Odegaard is the best player in the EPL so far this season. Saying forgive Erling Haaland, but Erling Haaland not going to perform anyhow anymore again. So that's why the hot now this Martin Odegaard, and the funny part is the two of them are Norwegians. They come from Norway, so the best Norway in the league right now is Martin Odegaard. As long as he continue to do what they do, and he's not stopping anytime soon. Because when you watch our last match against the Tottenham Hotspur for the North London Derby, you will see how he take the game from the scruff of the neck and performed very well. And he scored a goal and controlled the midfield. He's our midfield general. That is why people like Fabio Vieira, they languish on the Benjamin, unless maybe Odegaard gets suspended or gets injured before you go see somebody like Fabio Vieira who will bring him into the fray. So Baba come as I call the talk say for him, in your personal opinion, you don't watch a lot of people for the league, and all he has to say is Odegaard is the best player in this league right now. And myself, I second that opinion because it is visible for everybody to see. So away from that, so Jose Enrique will be the former left back for Liverpool, is now a pundit. So back on the talk say Trossard no go join Arsenal, and the reason make the talk say Trossard no go fit join because Trossard is like 28 years. So the kind age brackets where Arteta they look for now, those kind 22, 23, 21, at least from 24 below, now maximum 25. Now the kind of thing where Arteta they find. So somebody got the 28. Fit into the project the way Arteta one plan in team. Like you want to make everybody play like in the next 5 years. All these guys will sit there together, control the league, compete for places. Don't say every season go to buy person, every season it disrupts the flow. You guys just want a group of young players because now arguably we are the youngest team in the EPL. You get that is why we have a lot of energy, agility. You get to move around and run from the big. As in, we want to run people down. You get so now see Baba they talk. I don't know how I share the same sentiment because me, I don't the scam I don't see what Baba they talk to say some kind sense for what in the talk say Arsenal no really go for that Trossard because of his age, but more just the watch. So Patrick Vieira herself don't come outside. I can't fear say Chelsea they are spending. It will disrupt the transfers of the EPL. Like him now will be saying one buy players for Crystal Palace. If you want go price person, they will call the carry price go up because Chelsea don't they use their too much money, they scatter everybody. Get not just Chelsea, in my own opinion, not just Chelsea because Chelsea now because we are seeing it is too visible. Chelsea, Man U, Man City. Even Newcastle never really buy anybody 100 million euros. But Newcastle said, don't they enter there because all these people have oil money. All these people get plenty money. Apart from Chelsea don't even get oil money. But I don't understand Todd Boehly. The man don't even get, understand what they do because why would you be spending like the kind of money they get? Now money we say Arsenal can't afford to do what they are doing. Look at people that spent almost 90-something million in signing Lukaku. How many seasons they loan him out back to Inter? That money don't waste. Look at Manchester City. They spend over 100 million for Jack Grealish. How many goals he don't score? He don't live up to expectation. He don't justify that in fee. No, that's the honest truth. Look at Manchester United. Anthony, he don't justify the fee. No. So these are part of the things we are talking about. Jadon Sancho, how much they buy? It's not like 70 million. Has he justified the fee? No. So all these things are part of things we are talking about. And Arsenal don't have that luxury to spend that kind of money. You get when you spend money, you will see value. You get so that's the other thing. When you look at our front four, let's use our front four: Odegaard, Martinelli, Nketiah, Bukayo Saka. These 4 people they don't cost us up to 50 million. These 4 people will be saying and then they make things they happen. They don't cost us up to 50 million. So what are we trying to talk about? So I'm not just free the matter, Jerry. Sometimes it's not be about money, you get, now about how good the player is, you get. You should not even add Zinchenko join. Add Zinchenko for that 4, you get. See add Gabriel Jesus. I don't think they even reach 120 million. The 5 of them, you get, or the 6 of them. So what are we talking about? We'll make them free the matter, Jerry. Our Chelsea now they monitor Leandro Trossard amid Arsenal interest. So they feel they would like to sign the guy. You guys see they like the way the guy they play. So they want steal him, come up for Arsenal hand. And say Arsenal they interested, but Arsenal never officially go make a bid or make an offer we just hear say Arsenal don't talk with the representatives. That's what me I heard though. But I know say from the look of things, Arsenal fit go get the guy last and the guy said they're willing to come up for Brighton. Some people they talk say the guy get bad behavior. For me, I don't see him having a bad behavior because from the revelation when agents don't drop, so the coach don't follow the guy talk for 1 month. You get so last the guy is coming for cheap. You get he's 28. You get so I don't think for me, I don't think it's a bad idea. Call all this player, you know if you call audio, everybody cannot be young now. She Thomas Partey young, she Granit Xhaka young. Everybody cannot be young. So the same some people will go get experience, bring them in, even if they give it 2 years. It's okay now. Even give it 2 good years or 3 good years. We'll see they fight again. You don't win some things because at the end of the day, as a player, at the end of the day, you will look your cabinet whether you win anything again. That's the cocoa. That's how people like Henry, they will look their cabinet and see things so they win. So look at Hurricane now. Hurricane on the Tottenham Hotspur all in life, never win anything. It's very disgraceful. But that's part of the things we are talking about. So forget say age or no age, sign player. That's the cocoa. However, for the media settings, they ask Odegaard, say, what's in with the secrets? We can they perform the way they perform? Like, we want to know. So Odegaard comes to saying that the coaching staff, you get saying, we'll give all the credit to the coaching staff. They always discuss with them. They tell them how him will take improve. I know, say, this Arsenal team, that everything done they run by data analysis. You get some people they will be saying that they will tell you your data, how many kilometers per hour you run, your positional play. They will show you your heat map. They will show you all those things. Say you could have done this, you could have done that, all those kind of things. And the coaching staff, they will discuss with that like the massive accolades, get massive toilet to all the coaching staff. Say they really try. And the things when they try for the training, get practice makes perfection. So now part of all those things. If you know the practice, if you know the train regularly, I ain't gonna take the better. So now so it just be. Even back at the Sagna self, they ask him for the media secretary about the talk. Say this Arsenal side when they see like this now, say then they very good. They are fearless. They have the desire to win. They are very good. They are dedicated. You should say this side is very scary for oppositions. Most people don't want to play Arsenal and say this side, apart from the side in your own sets, maybe 2007, 2008. With these sets, they did very good. They come close or even better than that in your set. See them good die get. And no be lie. All those times they don't say Arsenal and small boys, all those things it doesn't fly again. Nobody will talk all those things. Say we don't get the determination. Like the kind of way happened last season, we were supposed to qualify for top 4, Congo, scatter along the way. So this season now with the addition of people who don't bring, we sign intelligently. Get nobody say we will collect plenty money for our hand. Nobody saw us coming now. Anybody go feel say after 18 games, Arsenal with the first position, they gap Man City with maybe 8 points. Who saw that coming? Nobody saw that coming now. So that's how it just be. And that's how we shock them. Till now, self, they see them underrate us, so we no go do anything. I like them like that. We just do under, on the low key, they run our package. Our Rio Ferdinand don't come and say I call talk about Thomas Partey. You know, say the guy don't come when people they criticize and when they talk say Casemiro they better than Partey. The Casemiro will take Partey around rub the floor. So now back on the backtrack, he come and say the talk say Partey is very important. The Partey is one of the best midfielders in the EPL. Say the way they play against Tottenham Hotspur, saying they marshal everywhere. And say the way Arsenal play 4-3-3 or sometimes it can look like 4-1-4. So say Arsenal they play very well. The way the guy they protects the back four, he did very much responsible for why Arsenal is the second best defensive team in the EPL this season because of the protection Partey gives to the back four. And it's not a coincidence say Partey no go injured, that no go injury. Arsenal can they flourish, Arsenal can they progress. You say Partey didn't miss in there now, never will go see what will happen. If not say Partey miss the match we will play against Old Trafford, by now if you say Arsenal go still there unbeaten, they have not lost since that match. If you say we won't replicate what happened 2003, 2004, people say we won't do them again, but we never know, we just watch. So Manchester United draw 1-1 yesterday with Crystal Palace for Selhurst Park. I was watching the match. I was praying for 2 things. I was praying for 3 things rather. I was praying for 1, for Manchester United to draw points. 2, I was praying for Casemiro to collect another yellow card because Casemiro don't get 4 yellow cards already. So 1 more, he go miss Arsenal match. 3, I was praying for Fred to collect yellow card also because he don't collect 4 already. 1 more, he go miss the Arsenal match. So 2 things now happen. So Manchester United play 1-1. Sure, the match, Crystal Palace they created chances. They could have scored early, but it's unfortunate for them to they no score. So Manchester United scored their own goal through Bruno Fernandes 1-0. But the first half, as it be 1-0, I just say Man U will win because according to statistics, Man U are one of the sides we see they never drop points from the winning position for a very long time. So I just say, well, this one don't go Jerry. I just off the TV, I not watch again. So I just hear where people shout, hey, 80 minutes, I just run say, I'm gonna go check. I check, I see one. What is up? Olis, Michael Olis, bend one kind fantabulous free kick we enter. That free kick, I never expect that. If you see the range he gets and how that guy, the free kick he whine and he enter and say enter 1-1. Everybody just be happy. Those who the Arsenal fans they watch the match because one betting study outside my house, so the noise everybody go the hear. So people will put the support Arsenal, they happy. So people that they monitor the match, lo and behold, Casemiro go foul Zaha, is our one to counter attack. Referee no get choice, referee give her. The guy face say he don't miss Arsenal match. He gets Fred enter, but Fred no collect yellow. So against Arsenal, we're expecting to see people like McTominay and Fred, and then go do for the midfield. And why am I happy about Casemiro? Casemiro does what Thomas Partey does to their own team. He gets the guy. If you see statistics, you would happy say no play, ball retention, tackles, duels, confirm, excellence. The guy a warrior. It's just not part of replica. So as he know they go do very good. People though like Eric Ten Hag, they come outside from media say they talk say, but it's quite true. Say Casemiro no go play against Arsenal, but the first leg when they play against Arsenal, Casemiro no play. And they won Arsenal, that they already know how to beat Arsenal, so it's going to be the same thing. So we're expecting them to come and still do their normal counter attack. But I asked my friend, say, "Shana, the way when they play this Crystal Palace, now so now they play Arsenal, come beat Arsenal." You get the Arsenal will play on that early in the season. Nobody Arsenal now. Casemiro has played 16 matches for Manchester United, the 16 games. Sky Sports show the statistics now. Those 16 games, they get high possibility of winning, like 67% win ratio. Without Casemiro, they have 33% win ratio. You get, because those people in the middle of the park cannot match Arsenal's Partey, Odegaard, and Granit Xhaka. You'll be looking at maybe Eriksen, Bruno Fernandes, Fred, or McTominay gets in the middle of the park. They don't have the work rate to match what Arsenal is going to be doing. Like that match on Sunday is going to be a blockbuster. And even Manchester United goalkeeper, they get come outside and complain, say, why they say them go play match, but Arsenal no go play. Arsenal get like 1 week rest. Like which kind of calendar the FA give them? Well, it is what it is. Everything is pointing to our own advantage, and they are coming to our fortress, the Emirates Stadium. I don't see anything more than the 3 points in that match. So let's just keep watching. But Sky Sports for Germany, they come outside and let us know, say, buy Leverkusen the value Diaby for 65 million euros, which is about 57 million pounds. That is his true valuation. So forget all those 100 million euros that they talk. And the reason we make the throw 100 million euros around is because Diaby does not have a buyout clause. It doesn't have a release clause. So they can just throw any figure they like. But the actual true valuation of the player, if they want to sell him, you get, is 57 million pounds. Now the question is whether they are willing to sell him midway through the season. That's what we don't know. So more just to watch. But we all know, like Sky Sports reports say, Arsenal don't open talks. They've contacted the representatives. They are really interested in signing him if he becomes available. And we don't know whether he's going to become available. But let's just keep watching. However, Arsenal don't enter talks to sign Nicolo Zaniolo of Roma. This guy is tall, strong, and fast. He can play the wings and he can play the midfield. This guy is available for 30 to 40 million pounds. So now whether Roma will sell the guy because contract negotiation they stall again, so we don't really know how it will be. Even Dean James come outside the talk, says a journalist, say Arsenal, there's more possibility say Arsenal will sign this guy because contact is progressing very, very well. Unless maybe another person will come now, come make a bidding war or come and hijack him, because Conte is a tough admirer, is a firm admirer of Nicolo Zaniolo because the guy is fast. Some people I'm saying the Italian Messi 9B because the guy is very, very tricky, fast, and very, very nice player. I get. I go run go check YouTube because now things what I hear of all those kind of journalists they talk about, I never really watch and play because it's concern me and Roma match. So I go YouTube, I go scam the guy, I see what he go bring to the table because I know say Conte is a tough admirer. The guy is like the boy gone. So whether I thought Namas will go enter the race, I don't know, because they are looking at Leandro Trossard, they are looking at Nicolo Zaniolo, they are looking at other people also. So more just the word because Arsenal know they need a wingman, they need somebody in the wings to add more body, to add more depth. So let's just see how everything is going. So my dear football lovers, if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day.